If you want to start earning with Hostinger, one of the first things you need is your affiliate link. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your Hostinger affiliate link step by step so you can sign in, find your dashboard, and copy your referral link quickly and easily. This is a simple process, but if you've never used the Hostinger affiliate platform before, I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to www.hostinger.com/affiliates. This is the official Hostinger affiliates page where you can access the affiliate platform. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Access Affiliate Platform and click it. This will take you to the Hostinger affiliate login page. Now, you'll need to log into your Hostinger affiliate dashboard by entering your email and password. If you already have a Hostinger account linked to the affiliate platform, use those details to sign in. If you're not logged in yet, complete the login process first so you can access your affiliate tools. After you sign in successfully, you'll be taken into the affiliate dashboard. Inside the dashboard, look for the menu or navigation area and go to affiliate, then dashboard. This is where Hostinger keeps your affiliate information, tracking tools, and referral settings. Once you're on the dashboard, search for the section labeled referral link or tracking link. This is the important part because this is the unique link that tracks sales and referrals back to your account. When you find your referral link, simply copy it. You can usually highlight it and use the copy button if available, or manually copy the URL into your clipboard. Make sure you use the correct affiliate link whenever you share Hostinger with your audience, because this is what allows your referrals to be tracked properly. At this point, you can paste your Hostinger affiliate link into your website, blog, YouTube description, email, or social media post. Whenever someone clicks your link and signs up through Hostinger, your affiliate account can track that referral based on the link you copied from the dashboard. That's why it's important to always use the exact link provided in your affiliate area. So to quickly recap, go to the Hostinger affiliates page, click Access Affiliate Platform, log in, open Affiliate Dashboard, find the referral link or tracking link, and copy it. That's all you need to get your Hostinger affiliate link. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.